What is up people, this is your tech guy here, and in this video I'll be talking about the OnePlus 9 5G phone camera details. So without wasting any more time, let's dig into the video. Well, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then what are you guys waiting for? Go down and hit that subscribe button as well as press the bell icon so that every time I upload the video, you will be the first one to get notified. In addition to confirming plans for an Aquarian green-like colorway, the image pictured below collaborates the presence of a dual-tone LED flash and 3 individual cameras supported by metal rings. This will be the setup of the OnePlus 9 telephoto camera. Similar camera bumps have previously been seen on the LG Wing 5G, iPhone 12 series and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. However, the real inspiration for the OnePlus 9 likely comes from Oppo, which works closely with OnePlus. In terms of specification, the source claims a 48 megapixel sensor has been chosen as the main camera. Every OnePlus flagship since 2019 has offered a 48 megapixel camera, but there are chances planned this time around. For example, the brand is finally detaching the Sony IMX686 sensor used on existing model in favor of an unspecified newer sensor. The resulting setup produced 12 megapixel image and has a 6 mm focal length. To compare, the previous generation OnePlus 8 Pro and current generation OnePlus 8T offers 6.59 mm and 4.74 mm focal length respectively. The second camera consists of a 48 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter, which should represent a pretty decent upgrade over the 16 megapixel implementation that OnePlus has used until now. As for the third sensor, no specification information is available at this stage. However, its small size seamlessly rules out the possibility of it being a telephoto or periscope zoom camera. A monochrome or macro camera instead seems more plausible. Now let's see what are the expected internal specification and feature that OnePlus 9 is going to provide. Powering the vanilla OnePlus 9 should be the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage at minimum. Of course, if you are willing to spend more money, more impressive storage configuration will be available. On the software front, Android 11 and Oxygen OS 11 are to be expected straight out of the box. Of course, once Android 12 is available in summer 2021, a Shift update is to be expected. Rounding out the internal package is rumored to be a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 65W fast wire charging and some form of fast wireless charging. Whether or not reverse wireless charging will be on offer remains to be seen. The chosen battery should keep the large punch-hole 120Hz display running all day without any issues even if 5G networks are being used. Now when will the OnePlus 9 5G be announced and where will it be available? The OnePlus 7 series was unveiled in May and the OnePlus 8 arrived in April. Next year, the OnePlus 9 is set to debut in March alongside the premium OnePlus 9 Pro. OnePlus has been partnering up with T-Mobile for a couple of years now and that should continue into 2021. At least one of the two flagships should be available at the carrier, although it could end up offering both. Whether the OnePlus 9 series will be available at Verizon or not is unclear. The carrier sold the OnePlus 8 5G UV earlier this year but opted out of offering the newer OnePlus 8T. It's unclear if this was down to poor scale of the previous model or the lack of differences between the two flagships, but if the latter is the reason, a Verizon partnership that involves the OnePlus 9 could certainly be on the table. So that was my take on the OnePlus 9 camera and other specification. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned till the next update and as always, hashtag peace out.